Hey there, this is Sami Hassan from Graphic Analyst, and today we are going to learn how to make eyes colorful in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here is our object. It's a dark eye. We need to create a curve adjustment layer. So let's create it. Here is curve adjustment layer. Let's make the eyes brighten. Take it like here. This is pretty good, and make this mask negative by press Ctrl I. Here is the mask, it's now negative. Now select the brush and make sure the program color is white, and simply just softly paint on the eyeballs like this, and just completely paint the eye properly. And now we are going to create a hue saturation from here and select this Colorize, and now choose any color whatever you want. Just simply take it, drag and choose any color whatever you want. Let's make it some green, yes, and make it a clipping mask. And here it is already colorful, and let's make one more. Make a curve adjustment layer and same things, just make it brighter and make it negative by press Ctrl I, and brush is selected, and just simply paint over there the center of the eye. And again a hue saturation, colorized, and I'm going to choose now a red like this, and make some saturation upper and make it clipping mask. Now it's look not so good. Let me do something. Just I'm sorry, select the curves and paint it well, just like this. Now it's look better than before. I want to add something glow on this eyeballs, so let's create another curves and make it dark. Fine, and click on the mask and select the brush is already selected, and make the foreground color is white, and just softly click on the make the foreground color is black, and click on this eye. Yes, it's glowing now, it's looking cool. And after that click on this and make some highlights on there. It will be looks more realistic, and the highlights is done almost. And after that I'm going to use the camera raw filter for some retouching and extra glow. After that you can see what is the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So if you like my video, please hit the subscribe button and comment on the video.